Very well. What is your name? How old are you?
I'm 8.
8 years old. Good. And how are you today? Okay. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend.
Very good. Tell me, how many days are there in 1 week?
7.
7, yes. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday, yes. Please sing me the song. Weekends are cool.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, on all those days I go to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday I'm with my family and that is cool.
That's it. Very good. When do you go to school? What days are you at school?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yes, always 5 days. Good. Next one.
Peach, pie,
Scratch.
good, cake, eat.
Good. Here comes the song Be Nice.
Don't eat or eat or pee your friend or fight or who day or scrap or put them anywhere. Be nice,
Very good. Please tell me, do you hit your friends? Do you pinch your friends? Do you kick them? No. Is it a good or a bad thing to do? No. Is it kicking? Is it a good or a bad thing to do? It's a bad thing to do. Good. Next one. Here are some letters. Letter, sound. Okay, Tiffany is out, please. Let's get it right. Yep. Well done. Letter, sound. Good. And letter. Good. And once again. Yep. That's. Please read the poem.
Pizza for breakfast, pizza for lunch, pizza for dinner. Munch, munch, munch.
Boeing, is it good to eat your pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? No. What is a good thing to eat? No. What is a good thing to eat? Is it good to eat candy and ice cream? No. What is a good thing to eat? Cheese. Oh, cheese is good. Okay, well done. And a little bit more letters. Sound. One more letter, please. Letter. Sound. A. Letter. Oh, big book. Good job. Please tell me, what are the lions doing? What are the zebras doing? Yes. Where do you see all of them? Yes, very well. Okay, good. Last one will be the story. But first,
Segment, ham, cookie, with lunch dinner, before accident, meat, fish,
juice. No juice. Juice. Good. The story. The bear.
segment. The bear family are born on the hill at the bear. These little bears are eating egg, though they are eating pancake.
Three.
These bears
Donuts.
Mommy and mother made pizza.
These.
Pizza and cooking meal.
And Holly's mother
Mommy and mother made
these 6 cakes.
and those sandwich.
The far
With the meat.
our
Our
stomachs are
empty. Time to eat.
good. Look, where are the bears going?
All the people.
Yeah. What are these bears eating?
Egg.
Yes. What are these bears drinking?
Milk.
Yes. What did those bears spill?
Juice.
Good. What did Freddy's mother make?
Salad.
And good. What did father bears do? Fix.
Fix meat.
Fix meat.